Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is second video of a graphical user interface development or a GUI development in Python. So in last video we have seen some introductory part of GUIs and we have seen some introductory part of the Tkinter module and we have created basic structure of GUI. In this video we are going to learn about some functionalities of our GUIs. Okay. So before that just check out our previous code. So basically from Tkinter import star. So basically here we are importing all the classes from the Tkinter module. Okay. After that here you can see that root is equal to tk. So basically root is equal to tk. Here we are creating object of the tk class. Okay. So the tk class is belong to Tkinter module. Okay. And here root dot main loop. Basically root dot main loop that will create a forever loop or a infinite loop that will handle all the events in our GUI. Okay. So in short, this two line of code will create a basic structure of your GUI. So let's run our code. So here you can see that here we are getting a basic structure of our GUI. So let's talk about today's thing. So let's say we want to create a big GUI. We can set a size of our GUI. Okay, so how can we do that? Tkinter module provide one function that is the root.geometry. Okay, root.geometry. Inside root.geometry, you can set a size of your GUI. So here you have to pass a string. Okay, so let's say here I am going to pass, let's say 720 x or 80. Okay, so you can pass here x 720 cross 480 and now I am going to run this code. Okay, so here you can see that here we are getting 720 cross 480 GUI. Okay, that is the size of our GUI. Now I can increase the size of my GUI like this. Okay, I can increase that size, I can decrease that size like this. Another function is that you can set a title of your GUI. So you can see that here tk, that is a title of our GUI. You can change that title as you want. So let's say here I am going to use root.title. Inside our root.title you can pass a title of your GUI. So let's say here I am going to pass one string that is the first GUI. Okay. Now I am going to run this code and here you can see that here we are getting, this is the first GUI, this is a title of our GUI. Okay, you can pass any title as you want. Now let's talk about two functions, that is a min size and max size. So first let's talk about the max size, root dot max size. Okay, inside that max size you can pass a number. So let's say here I am going to pass, let's say 720 and 480. Now I am going to run this code. Now I am going to try to increase the size of our GUI like this. Okay. Okay. Here you can see that here we can decrease the size of GUI, but here we cannot increase the size of GUI more than 720 cross 480. Okay, so that is a root.max size. It will set a maximum size of your GUI. Now let's talk about the min size. So here I am going to do root.min size. Inside that you have to pass a number. So let's say here I am going to pass 720 and 480. Now I am going to try to decrease the size of our GUI. So here you can see that I am not able to decrease or increase the size of our GUI. Okay, if I set like 480 cross 480, then I can decrease the size of GUI. You can see that. Okay, so there is a useful function in our Tkinter module. Let's talk about the labels. So I am going to create one variable label1. Okay, and I am going to use label, label, that is L will be capital, okay, and inside that you have to pass first your master. So here our master, that is a root, okay, that is a root object, that is our master. So here you have to pass your root. After that you have to pass text that you wanna show in your GUI. So let's say here I am going to pass hello, this is my first GUI, okay. Now I am going to run our code. So here you can see that we are not getting a label on our GUI, okay. So why we are not getting? So whenever you create a label, so that time after that you have to pack that label, okay. So you have to use a pack, so like this, label one dot pack. Now here you can see that here we are getting our text, that is a hello, this is my first GUI, okay. If you don't do pack, then that text will not appear on your GUI, okay. So basically in Tkinter there are three label manager. First one is pack, second one is a grid, and third one is a place. Here we have seen about the pack, okay. So that will automatically set coordinates of your text, okay. So let's talk about the place. The second label manager, that is a place. So inside that you have to pass x and y coordinate, okay. So let's say here I am going to say x is equal to let's say 30 and y equal to 50, okay. Now here you can see that here we are getting our text, that is a hello, this is my world, this is my first GUI on 30 and 40 coordinate, okay. X is equal to 30 and y is equal to 50 coordinate, okay. So that is a place. You have to set a coordinates, that is our place. So let's talk about the grid. So inside our grid you have to pass rows and columns. So here I am going to pass row is equal to let's say 0 and column is equal to 0. So here you can see that here we are getting our text on row 0 and column 0. I will explain you more about grid after few videos, okay. So basically in our series of videos, basically we are going to use mostly pack and grid, okay. So this is our pack. So in Tkinter there are three types of label manager. First one is a pack, second one is a place, and third one is a grid. People mostly use pack and grid, okay. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question about the label, if you have any question about the geometry, title, max size, min size, pack, place, grid, you can just ask me in comment section below. And if you have any comment, concern and query, you can just ask me in comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.